is Dano. I'm a patient here from Myra Dental Clinic here in Antalya. I actually came from Germany. I had a treatment, about 20 zirconium crowns, 10 on the upper jaw and 10 on the lower jaw. And I'm very happy about all the procedure that was made about all my teeth. At first, it's like it begins with some complications about the following past months. I was last year, May 2018, had the treatment about the zirconium crowns, and at first I was very happy. Everything went fine, but over the past months it get complicated. My gum is swollen up. My gum was very red, and I thought this isn't very that I want to. So I consulted the Myra Dental Clinic again about my problem, and they told me, hey, okay, it's not okay that the gum is swollen up and it's red, so you have to come back so we can change the crowns. And therefore I'm here. The Myra Dental Clinic took all the flight prices, took the flight costs, the treatment as well, and I'm very happy that the Myra Dental Clinic changed my crowns, so my gum is very healthy now. What can I tell? I'm very happy now. So the Myra Dental Clinic is here. How can I describe it? Very pleased that you here, that you are healthy, that you are getting the new crowns, that you are very happy about the treatment, and therefore I can recommend every one of you, just come here. You don't have to be scared or something like that. Just come here and let's check your teeth, and we see what we find there.